Hi, my name is Sarah. I am a busy mom with 2 kids. It is 6 p.m. now. I need to cook dinner quickly. To begin with, I take the chicken out. This is going to be our main dish today. I need to chop it into small pieces. After that, I place the chicken on the board. I use a sharp knife to cut it. I slice the meat into long strips. Haha, this helps the chicken cook faster. Next, I carefully slice the carrots. I cut them into many small circles. Then, I take the green broccoli. I break it into small pieces with my hands. This is very easy and fun to do. It's time to turn on the stove. As the pan is getting hot, I put the chicken in the pan. Sizzle! It sounds so good. As soon as the chicken is brown, I add vegetables. I stir everything together for 5 minutes. I also add a little salt and pepper. Wow, it smells amazing already. Suddenly, my son runs into the kitchen. "Mom, I am so hungry," he says. "Just a moment, honey," I reply. "Can you put the plates out, please?" "Yes, Mom," my son says happily. Straight away, he takes 4 white plates. He places them carefully on the table. Then he adds 4 spoons and napkins. Aw, he's such a good helper. Next, I pour some fresh orange juice into glasses. This juice is full of vitamin C and very healthy. It is the perfect drink for a busy day. Eventually, it is 7 p.m. The whole family sits down at the table. There is colorful chicken and vegetables. My husband also brings home some fresh bread. Everything looks so delicious. "This chicken is amazing, Mom!" the kids shout. "I love it," my husband says. Wow, I feel so proud of this meal. I love seeing my family happy like this. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. What does Sarah need to do at 6 p.m.? Answer. She needs to cook dinner quickly at 6 p.m. Question 2. How does Sarah cut the chicken? Answer. She cuts it into small pieces and long strips. Question 3. What does Sarah add when the chicken is brown? Answer. She adds vegetables when the chicken is brown. Question 4. What does Sarah ask her son to do? Answer. She asks him to put the plates out. Question 5. What does the whole family do at 7 p.m.? Answer. They sit down at the table at 7 p.m. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.